Hi, hello. I'm preparing a present or a small gift for a special event. So this Saturday, there will be an event um, organized by the Humane Society of Greater Miami, and it's gonna be at the Suffer and Find Adoption Center, is 16101 West Dixie Highway in Miami, North Miami. And I've been invited to be a sponsor of this event. So I decided to prepare flowers for the person who will take a dog and provide a forever home for those dog and cats. So you are also totally invited to this event. If you can go this Saturday, it's gonna be awesome. Also, you have this information in my web page, Facebook page, and you can see all the details there. Okay, I'm gonna start with my work. One of the things that I want to do is prepare in small floral arrangements with artificial flowers. When I started in this business, I start working with artificial flowers, and I realized with the time that it's easier than fresh flowers. So if you are thinking uh, to learning how to work with the flowers, it's better if you do with artificial flowers. Well, these are the materials that we will need. I have pink flowers, different shades of pink and different kind of flowers. And also I have a leaf. These leaves are from previous work that I use it, and when I want to do something, I always keep the leaf to mix it up and put in the new work. I will use this filler. This I bought IKEA. It was a really good price. It's like a $2.99 each box. I will need this clay pot that I bought in Home Depot. This is very economic. And I have the piece of oysters, these ribbons with the dog paw. I think it's gonna be cute. Obviously, I have my knife, my scissors, and this tool that I need to use to cut the flowers. As an accent, as we use butterflies, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use the purple instead of using the pink because they are not gonna pop up in the among the flowers. Well, I'm not sure yet. It's too much pink. Okay, let us start there. I already have plugged my glue gum. I'm gonna cut the oasis. Okay, this oasis is for artificial flowers, so it's not for fresh flowers. You have to provide in a small shape. Okay, and be sure that the oasis is not gonna fall. If the oasis fall off, everything is gonna fall apart. Okay, can you hear? That means that it's already in good position. Shake it and be sure it's not gonna fall. Even that you are totally sure about that, I like to put small pieces beside the main piece. So I'm gonna put a triangle. You see, small pieces and triangle to put in this way. Over here, a little bit more over there. That's it. Okay. The next step is gonna be put a little bit of glue gum on the oasis, just a little bit. To attach to the wall of the clay pot. Let me see, I don't need this. Okie dokie. Then I would use the ribbon that I'm gonna put on the top, all around. Be careful with the glue gun. It is really hard And this gum is only high hot, because there are gum with different I don't know how you say it, different temperature, and this is the more hot, the hotter that and I like it in that way, but you have to be very careful when you work with this. Okay, when you are there, you're gonna cut a little bit. I'm gonna fold a mark, I'll make a mark in the ribbon, more glue, and press down. But nobody's gonna see that, but you know, if we do in this way, the ribbon's gonna be better longer. Okay. The next step is prepare the flowers. I already cut, this is gonna be the main piece. I'm gonna put in the middle. Let me, okay. If I want to have this leaf, I'm gonna put it there with glue. Perfect. I want to take these small flowers and different length and color, and I'm gonna put them on around the main piece. Okay. No, I don't like it. Okay, you can you can make decisions by yourself. I mean, the flower is gonna be, because of the wire, the flower is gonna have the way that you want and the position that you want. It's not like working with natural flowers that they do wherever they want. That's why it's easier to start learning florist business with artificial flowers. Okay, this is not gonna move up. Let me cut it. No. Okay. Now I have to find more leaves to cover the lower part. I'm gonna use, in this case, the same one. The other green. No, right here. Perfect. And one more in the other side. This is easy. It is fast. Okay, let me cover that. Awesome. That's it. The last detail is the butterfly. Okay, the butterfly has a wire. The only thing that you have to do is just put in the oasis, stuck in the oasis. Put them on the flowers. Perfect. This is almost done. With the white little rocket or stones, stone, sorry. You are gonna cover all the ugly oasis that you were watching 2 seconds ago, and that is gonna be the last step. Well, actually it's not the last step, because I'm thinking to prepare a small sign to say thank you and put on the top. You don't want to be here. You are wrong. You are gonna be here. Okay, perfect. Okie Okie dokie. That's it. Easy. I have the accent with the dog's paws, and now I have to put the sign. I will show you when it's ready. Okay, I hope you can do it, enjoy it. This is really economic and easy way to prepare something for Mother's Day or just for learning. Okay, I'll be waiting for your thoughts or comment. You are more than welcome to let me know what you think about it. Okay, thank you. And here we have the result. I add this little tag to say thank you to the people who's gonna help the dog. I'm gonna take this at home to enjoy the Mother's Day. So I made it by myself, and I put the same ribbon that I used here and put in the tag. Okay, this little present will be for all those persons that's gonna help to rescue and save a dog and cat that has been found in the street. Okay, I hope you can go and help us to help little dog. Thank you.